Williams, and Dr. Lori Schroeder and I are looking forward to engaging with you about peer feedback. Do you notice that although peer evaluation has the potential to offer rich reflection on individual work, teamwork, and peer interaction, that the outcome is often insincere or inflated? What can we do to improve? We will explore how to ask questions grounded in metacognitive framework that guides learners to consider how their own assumptions or limited own understanding may create barriers to equitable and useful assessment. Using a metacognitive framework to guide self-reflection can prepare learners to make more accurate decisions about the quality of others' work and allows learners to integrate feedback from their peers. We look forward to seeing you at the 2023 TBLC Conference Workshop in Orlando, Florida. Look for strengthening the third leg of the stool, adding metacognitive self-reflection to inform peer feedback.